Someday you'll truly believe you'll never smile again. And on those glum days, you'll believe sarcasm is your only friend. But one day, you'll fall to that dark chasm and in love with your floor. And on that day, you'll realize you are the one you adore. And you'll say, I might die alone, and that's okay. I kinda like me anyway, and I'll be fine, that's what I see. I'll be okay, I know that I will be. I might die alone, and that's okay. I kinda like me anyway, and I'll be fine, that's what I see. I'll be okay, I know that I will be in my car, trying to catch the breath I lost while chasing you. Too far, I can't catch my breath when I am facing you. And lonely, lonely is okay, I am not panicking. I'm only trying to find a place to store my sanity. I might die alone, that's okay. I kinda like me anyway, and I'll be fine, that's what I see. I'll be okay, I know that I will be. And since I was asked to play this one.
Don't you have a show coming up?
Oh yeah, I do have a show coming up. This is Saturday at 10:30 at the Red Room Comedy. I'm producing in a show called Brain Blast, and our very own Alex Song, who's not here tonight, will be one of our guests. It'll be comedy, music, and experimental film all rolled into one, and when I go up, it's going to be all three at once. So, okay. All right.
Wait, hold on a second. So it's Red Room Comedy. This is like a fairly new space, right?
It is. It's like 74 something Northwestern around there.
It's kind of by the Mark II.
Yeah, it's right around there.
Right?
Yeah, I think it's right there.
And what time's the show?
10:30.
Yeah, so it's a late show, but it's Saturday.
Saturday,
What
yeah.
the fuck have you got any Sunday morning? None of us are going to church.
It's a 2-drink minimum, so y'all gonna get drunk there, and you're gonna be glad you were. So, okay.
Let's go on Saturday night. I'm going. I'm actually going. So
Okay.
yeah, I see you there.
Awesome. Okay. What religion couldn't teach me, Big Bird taught.
Woo!
Lessons learned from a Super Grover plot. And it doesn't matter if you're black or white or green or blue or furry. You might think a children's show has nothing to teach you. You'd be wrong. Muppetism is as real as the force, it's the Hinduism of the present day. Somewhere out in space there's a Muppet master place with his hands up to say what he will say. We learn from your example, no matter what the preachers say. Loved Bernie and Bert with all our hearts, and we knew that they were gay. I cried at every single Muppet movie that I've ever seen, from the one with Kermit on the banjo to the one where Michael Caine thinks he can sing. That is Muppet Christmas Carol. You should check that shit out. Muppetism is as real as the force, it's the Hinduism of the present day. Somewhere out in space there's a Muppet master place with his hands up to say what he will say. I know how to count, I know how to greet my friends. I know how to read the letters that my friends send. I know about near, I'm a little rusty on far. I know how to inhale and exhale, I can spot a red car. If a pig can love a frog, then I can love you. Tell me what your Messiah can do. Your Messiah is who? Jim fucking Henson. Muppetism is as real as the force, the Hinduism of the present day. Somewhere out in space there's a Muppet master place with his hands up to say what he will say. Let the Muppet Masters hand inside today.
Yes!
I'm gonna try this one.
Yeah.
Sailing on my stolen ship on the ocean, fighting dragons with the horns on their face. But when I look in the water, all I see are the otters holding hands and looking out into space. And there's something else. All the gold that I keep in, the stolen gold that I keep in my galley, it makes good ballast, but it makes my heart sink. The more you dig for your gold, the bigger the hole. Now you gotta climb down and take time to think. But there's a bird on my shoulder. I'm his only guy. Love me more as I'm older, and I wonder why. He's my greatest treasure. When the tide's getting high, the wind's getting high, yeah sure, I'm tossed by the tide, but he holds on even tighter, and he never does fly. And the pigeon that I share with my parrot, it tastes like chicken that I shared with my crow. And all the things that I stole, the murders take tolls, it eats me up, I thought you should know. And later, when I lower my ship's flag, I might just toss it overboard and then laugh. These abalone dentures, I had all these adventures, but these abalone dentures make my smile smell like a rotting sea craft. But that bird is my buddy, and I'm his only guy. Loves me when I'm muddy, loves me when I'm dry. He's my greatest treasure, my little green guy. What was cool about that was there was an ending, but I hit it way soon.
Sounded good.
Yeah, that song keeps getting slower because I keep forgetting the words.
Love it. Wait, what's your bird's name?
That's Mac. He's my blue friend on Amazon.
Mac?
He's the one that would never leave me.
Matt.
Mac.
Matt. It's amazing.
M-A-C. M-A-C.
Oh my god. Oh, Matt?
Yeah.
Like what gives Matt?
Right.